The Amazon rainforest, often heralded as the lungs of the earth, is a breathtaking tapestry of natural beauty and biodiversity. Spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers across 9 countries, its vast expanse is characterized by lush greenery, towering trees, diverse wildlife, and intricate waterways. This unique ecosystem offers a profound experience for anyone fortunate enough to traverse its depths, revealing a majestic scenery that captivates the senses and ignites the spirit of adventure. As one enters the Amazon, the first thing that strikes the observer is the sheer scale of the forest. Towering trees, some reaching heights of over 200 feet, dominate the landscape, their canopies forming a dense roof that filters sunlight into a serene mosaic of light and shadow. The trunks, often adorned with vibrant mosses and climbing vines, tell tales of age and resilience. Each tree is a world of its own, nurturing countless species of flora and fauna. The air is thick with humidity, infused with the earthy scent of wet soil, decaying leaves, and blooming flowers, creating an intoxicating atmosphere that envelops visitors in nature's embrace. The vibrant colors of the Amazon add to its allure. Brightly colored orchids bloom in abundance, their delicate petals contrasting sharply with the deep greens of the foliage. The forest floor, often blanketed with a tapestry of fallen leaves and flowers, is punctuated by the vibrant hues of fungi and the occasional burst of color from insects and birds. The Amazon is alive with color, a vivid reminder of nature's artistry. Navigating through the labyrinth of the rainforest reveals an intricate network of rivers, streams, and lakes that weave their way through the landscape. The Amazon River, the lifeblood of the region, flows majestically, its muddy waters reflecting the emerald greens and azure skies above. Smaller tributaries snake through the underbrush, creating a symphony of sounds as they cascade over rocks or ripple gently against the banks. These waterways are not only essential for the survival of countless species, but also serve as pathways for exploration, offering glimpses into the heart of the jungle. Wildlife in the Amazon is both diverse and mesmerizing. The sounds of the forest create a dynamic soundscape, with the calls of howler monkeys echoing through the trees and the melodic trills of birds, such as toucans and macaws, filling the air. As one walks along the trails, glimpses of sloths lazily hanging from branches or the flash of a jaguar prowling in the underbrush remind us of the rich tapestry of life that thrives within this ecosystem. The Amazon is a sanctuary for over 30 million species, many of which are yet to be discovered, making it a living testament to the planet's diversity. The Amazon rainforest is home to an estimated 390 billion individual trees and over 16,000 species of animals, making it one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. Birds, mammals, reptiles, amphibians, and insects coexist in a complex interdependent system. The Amazon is particularly famous for its avian inhabitants. Nearly 1,300 species of birds, including the vibrant macaws and elusive harpy eagles, flit through its canopies. The sounds of their calls echo through the lush foliage, adding to the symphony of life in the forest. Mammals like the jaguar, capybara, and the Amazon river dolphin are pivotal in maintaining the ecological balance. The jaguar, known as the apex predator, plays a crucial role in controlling the populations of other species, thereby preserving the health of the ecosystem. Meanwhile, the capybara, the world's largest rodent, thrives near water bodies and is integral to the diets of various predators. Animals in the Amazon have evolved a myriad of adaptations to survive in this complex, competitive environment. Many species exhibit remarkable camouflage, allowing them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. For instance, the green tree frog, with its vibrant green skin, easily hides among the leaves, avoiding predators. Conversely, the brightly colored poison dart frog uses its vivid hues as a warning to potential threats, signaling that it is toxic. Arboreal animals, such as sloths and spider monkeys, have developed specialized limbs and prehensile tails that enable them to navigate the forest canopy with ease. The sloth's slow metabolism and deliberate movements serve as an energy-saving strategy, allowing it to thrive on a diet primarily composed of leaves and minimizing its exposure to predators. Social structures among animal species in the Amazon are diverse and fascinating. Many mammals, such as howler monkeys and peccaries, live in groups that provide protection against predators and facilitate foraging. These social dynamics are vital for survival as they allow for effective communication and coordination when facing threats. In contrast, solitary animals like the jaguar or the anaconda exhibit behaviors that are strategically independent, relying on stealth and power for hunting. The interactions among species, whether predator-prey relationships or symbiotic partnerships like those between ants and aphids, contribute to the rich tapestry of life in the Amazon. The toucan, with its striking appearance and vibrant personality, is one of the most iconic birds of the tropical rainforest. Renowned for its oversized, colorful bill and unique plumage, the toucan has captured the imagination of nature lovers and artists alike. At first glance, the toucan's most remarkable feature is undoubtedly its bill. The bill can be up to 1/3 the length of the bird's body and comes in a variety of colors, including bright yellows, oranges, and reds, often contrasted with the dark plumage of its body. This flamboyant beak is not only aesthetically pleasing but serves several functional purposes, including feeding, thermoregulation, and social signaling. The toucan uses its bill to reach and consume fruits and insects high in the canopy, showcasing its adaptation to a frugivorous diet. Beneath its vivid bill, the toucan's plumage is equally captivating. Most species boast a combination of vibrant colors, from the rich golden hues of the keel-billed toucan to the deep blacks and whites of the toko toucan. These colors help the bird blend into the dappled sunlight of the rainforest, a remarkable adaptation that provides both camouflage and beauty. The contrast between the toucan's feathers and its bill creates a mesmerizing visual spectacle that is truly enchanting. The beauty of the toucan extends beyond its appearance. It plays a crucial role in its ecosystem. Toucans are considered keystone species due to their role in seed dispersal. By consuming various fruits and berries, they help to spread seeds throughout the rainforest, facilitating plant growth and biodiversity. This process not only contributes to the overall health of the forest, but also ensures the survival of numerous plant species that rely on toucans for propagation. Their presence in the ecosystem is a testament to the interconnectedness of life within the rainforest. Moreover, the toucan's striking beauty attracts attention to the importance of rainforest conservation. As habitat destruction and climate change threaten these vital ecosystems, the toucan serves as a charismatic ambassador for wildlife preservation efforts. By promoting awareness of the toucan and its habitat, conservation organizations aim to rally support for protecting the diverse life forms that share its home. The toucan's vibrant colors and unique shape have made it a symbol of the tropics and a source of inspiration in various cultures. In many indigenous communities throughout Central and South America, the toucan holds spiritual significance. It is often featured in folklore, art, and mythology, representing qualities such as communication, joy, and the beauty of nature. This cultural reverence further emphasizes the toucan's role as a striking ambassador for its environment. Additionally, the toucan is a popular subject in art and design, often representing the essence of tropical beauty. From vibrant paintings to intricate sculptures, the toucan continues to inspire creativity and admiration, encouraging a deeper appreciation for the natural world. In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where lush greenery intertwines with winding rivers and tranquil lakes, the caiman crocodile thrives as one of the ecosystem's most fascinating inhabitants. Belonging to the family Alligatoridae, caimans are closely related to alligators and crocodiles. Yet they possess unique characteristics that distinguish them within the rich tapestry of Amazonian wildlife. As apex predators, they play a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance of their habitat, making them essential guardians of the Amazon's waterways. Caiman crocodiles, particularly the spectacled caiman and the black caiman, exhibit remarkable adaptability to their environment. The spectacled caiman, named for the bony ridge between its eyes that resembles spectacles, is smaller, typically reaching lengths of around 6 to 7 feet. In contrast, the black caiman can grow up to 13 feet or more, making it one of the largest members of the crocodilian family. Their varied sizes allow them to occupy different ecological niches within the Amazon, from shallow lakes and riverbanks to deeper waters. One of the most striking features of caiman crocodiles is their physical adaptations, which make them efficient hunters. Their elongated, powerful jaws are lined with sharp teeth, allowing them to grasp and hold on to prey with remarkable strength. Caimans are opportunistic feeders, preying on a diverse diet that includes fish, birds, small mammals, and even other reptiles. Their stealthy hunting techniques, combined with excellent camouflage, enable them to launch surprise attacks on unsuspecting prey. This predatory behavior not only sustains their population, but also helps regulate the populations of other species, maintaining a delicate balance within the ecosystem. Caiman crocodiles are also essential players in the nutrient cycling of the Amazon rainforest. As they consume prey and subsequently excrete waste, they contribute to the nutrient richness of their aquatic environment. Their waste serves as a natural fertilizer, promoting the growth of aquatic plants that provide habitat and food for a multitude of organisms. This interconnectedness highlights the importance of caimans in sustaining the overall health of the Amazon's ecosystems. In addition to their ecological role, caiman crocodiles exhibit intriguing social behaviors, particularly during the breeding season. Males are known to engage in vocalizations to attract females, producing deep grunts and bellows that resonate through the waters. After a courtship ritual, females build nests on riverbanks, laying clutches of eggs that can number up to 30 or more. Maternal care is evident as females fiercely guard their nests and assist in guiding hatchlings to water, showcasing the nurturing aspects of these often misunderstood reptiles. Despite their ecological importance, caiman populations face significant threats. Habitat destruction due to deforestation, illegal hunting, and pollution have led to declining numbers in some areas. The black caiman, in particular, was once endangered due to overhunting for its valuable skin. However, conservation efforts have been implemented, and their populations are gradually recovering in certain regions. Secrets of the Amazon. The anaconda. Deep within the verdant embrace of the Amazon rainforest lies a world rich with life and mystery, where the interplay of shadows and sunlight creates an enchanting tapestry of nature. Among its myriad inhabitants stands one of the most formidable creatures of the wild, the anaconda. Known scientifically as eunectes, these serpentine behemoths are not merely predators, they are ancient symbols of the untamed spirit of the Amazon, each curve of their sinuous bodies a testament to the secrets held within this vibrant ecosystem. The anaconda thrives in the lush, labyrinthine waterways that crisscross the Amazon basin. Here, the air hangs heavy with humidity, and the symphony of chirping insects and rustling leaves forms an unending melody. This green cathedral, with its towering trees and dense underbrush, serves as both sanctuary and hunting ground. The anaconda itself is a creature of paradoxes. Renowned for its size, it can grow to lengths exceeding 25 feet, making it one of the longest snakes in the world. Yet, despite its impressive girth, it is an expert in stealth, gliding silently through the waters or slithering through the underbrush with a grace that belies its massive size. Its coloration, varying shades of olive and yellow with dark blotches, allows it to blend seamlessly into the dappled sunlight of its surroundings, a living testament to the art of camouflage. The Amazon rainforest, with its complex ecosystem, provides the ideal backdrop for the anaconda's life. Preferring the slow-moving waters of rivers, swamps, and flooded areas, this ambush predator often lurks beneath the surface, waiting for unsuspecting prey to come within striking distance. Its diet is as diverse as the jungle itself, ranging from fish and birds to land mammals such as capybaras and deer. In the waters of the Amazon, the anaconda reigns supreme. Unlike many serpents, which rely on venom to subdue their prey, the anaconda employs a different strategy: constriction. With immense strength, it coils around its unsuspecting victims and squeezes until resistance ceases, embodying the primal dance of life and death that plays out in this untamed wilderness. Each hunt is a silent saga, an intricate choreography that speaks to the delicate balance of the Amazonian ecosystem. But the life of an anaconda is not solely defined by its role as a predator. It is also a guardian of the secrets that the Amazon holds. As it glides through the murky waters, it stirs up sediment, dispersing nutrients that nourish the surrounding flora. In this way, the anaconda becomes a vital part of the intricate web of life, contributing to the health of the ecosystem. Its movements are like whispers in the water, echoing the ancient stories of survival and adaptation that have unfolded over millennia in this magnificent rainforest. The secrets of the Amazon are not just confined to its creatures. They are also rooted in the myths and legends that surround them. Indigenous tribes have long revered the anaconda, viewing it as a powerful spirit guide and a symbol of strength and resilience. Tales of its size and strength have woven themselves into the cultural fabric of the Amazon, making the anaconda a creature of both fear and fascination. The jaguar, apex predator of the Amazon fauna. In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where the sun filters through a tangled canopy of vibrant greens, dwells a creature that embodies both grace and ferocity: the jaguar. As the largest cat in the Americas, the jaguar reigns supreme in this lush ecosystem, a master of stealth and strength that has captivated the imaginations of many cultures throughout history. With its powerful physique and mesmerizing coat, the jaguar represents the untamed spirit of the Amazon, a living testament to the wonders and dangers of the wild. As the early morning sun filters through the dense foliage, casting dappled patterns on the forest floor, the jaguar emerges. The jaguar's coat is a stunning tapestry of golden yellow fur, adorned with a pattern of rosettes and spots, each unique as a fingerprint. This intricate design not only enhances its beauty, but also serves a practical purpose. The rosettes provide the perfect camouflage, allowing the jaguar to seamlessly blend into the dappled light of the forest floor. As it prowls silently through the underbrush, the jaguar is an unseen shadow, a whisper of movement that signals the presence of a formidable predator. With its powerful jaws and muscular build, the jaguar is uniquely adapted for a life of hunting. Unlike other big cats that primarily rely on speed, the jaguar's hunting strategy is characterized by stealth and strength. It often stalks its prey, a variety of animals ranging from capybaras and peccaries to elusive tapirs and monkeys, before launching a surprise attack. The jaguar's bite is one of the strongest in the animal kingdom, capable of crushing through thick skulls and shells. This lethal ability allows it to hunt effectively in the diverse habitats of the Amazon, from dense jungles to open floodplains. The jaguar's hunting techniques are a marvel of nature. Using its acute senses, the creature stalks its prey with a calculated patience that speaks to its intelligence. With a sudden burst of speed, it lunges forward, a blur of sinewy power, delivering a deathly bite that pierces through the skull of its victim, a swift end for many creatures that roam the forest floor. The jaguar's role in the Amazon ecosystem is crucial. As a top predator, it helps maintain the balance of species within its territory. By controlling the populations of herbivores, the jaguar ensures that the vegetation remains healthy and diverse, allowing the entire ecosystem to thrive. Its presence is a key indicator of the overall health of the rainforest, a reminder of the intricate web of life that exists within this vibrant habitat. Its deep, resonant roar echoes through the trees, a declaration of the poison dart frog, jewel of the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life, from towering trees to elusive creatures. One of the most fascinating inhabitants of this lush habitat is the poison dart frog, a small yet extraordinary amphibian that captures the imagination of researchers and nature enthusiasts alike. These small, vividly colored amphibians, belonging to the family Dendrobatidae, are not only a symbol of the rich biodiversity of this ecosystem, but also a testament to the intricate relationships between organisms in their environment. With their enchanting hues and potent toxins, poison dart frogs embody the allure and peril of the natural world. Measuring a mere 1 to 3 inches in length, these diminutive creatures are often adorned in bright shades of blue, yellow, red, and green. Their striking coloration serves a dual purpose. It attracts potential mates and simultaneously warns predators of their toxicity. This phenomenon, known as aposematism, is a fascinating aspect of their adaptation. The vivid colors signal danger, a effectively discouraging would-be attackers from making a meal of these frogs. In a forest teeming with life, their vibrant appearances are a reminder of the complex interplay between survival and beauty. The toxicity of poison dart frogs is nothing short of astounding. Their skin contains potent alkaloids that can be lethal to predators. In the wild, these frogs obtain their toxic compounds from the insects they consume, particularly ants and beetles. Interestingly, poison dart frogs raised in captivity, devoid of these specific dietary sources, do not develop the same toxic properties. This highlights the delicate balance of their ecosystem and the interdependence of species within it. The relationship between poison dart frogs and the indigenous peoples of the Amazon is another layer of intrigue in their story. The indigenous people of South America have long recognized the frog's lethal attributes, historically using their secretions to poison the tips of blow darts for hunting. Thus, the name poison dart frog aptly reflects its lethal potential in the hands of skilled hunters. Females lay their eggs in moist leaf litter or small pools of water. The vibrant colors of adult frogs serve as a stark contrast to the subdued, camouflaged appearance of the tadpoles. Beyond their striking appearance and toxicity, poison dart frogs play a vital role in their ecosystem. As both predators and prey, they contribute to the regulation of insect populations and serve as an important food source for birds and reptiles. Their presence indicates a healthy environment as they are sensitive to changes in habitat quality. This sensitivity makes them excellent bioindicators, reflecting the overall health of the Amazon rainforest. As the rainforest faces increasing threats from deforestation and climate change, the fate of these frogs is closely tied to the well-being of their habitat. The wonders of the animal kingdom are truly captivating, wouldn't you agree? If you're passionate about wildlife and fascinated by their unique behaviors, our channel is the perfect place for you. Join us as we dive into the incredible world of animals, uncovering amazing facts and stories that will enrich your understanding of nature. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications so you never miss an exciting episode. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this journey. We look forward to seeing you again in our next captivating wildlife documentary.